Welcome to the Explainer. So, you've probably been there, right? You ask an AI a question and what you get back is, well, pretty useless. We've all been there. But today, we're going to fix that. We're going to talk about mastering the art of the ask, something called prompt engineering.
You know, a lot of the time when an AI gives you a vague answer, it's not actually the tool's fault. It's how we're asking. Just look at this. Going from a super vague idea like write about sales to a really specific, structured request, well, that's the first big step to getting something you can actually use.
And that skill right there is called prompt engineering. Now, I know it sounds a little technical, but trust me, it's way simpler than you think. This is the key. It's what turns your AI from just a simple tool into a really powerful strategic partner.
So what is it really? When you boil it all down, it's just about learning how to have a better, more effective conversation with your AI. Think of it like giving it a super clear roadmap so it knows exactly how to get to the destination you want.
It really all comes down to this one simple idea. The quality of the AI's answer is a direct reflection of the quality of your question. Seriously, that's it. A few extra seconds thinking about your prompt can literally save you minutes, maybe even hours of frustration and get you what you need so much faster.
All right, so how do we do it? Let's dive into a really simple and, I promise, memorable framework to help structure your prompts. It's called PTCF. And honestly, this is going to completely change how you talk to AI.
Okay, first up, P is for persona. You've got to tell the AI who it should be. Give it a role. So we'll start our prompt with something like, act as an expert financial analyst.
Next, we've got T for task. This is where you tell the AI exactly what to do. Give it a clear action. So let's add to our prompt and analyze the attached sales data.
Then comes C for context. This is so important. You need to give the AI the background information it needs to succeed. So let's make our prompt even more specific, focusing on our Q3 performance.
And finally, F is for format. This is where you tell the AI how the output should look. You're in control here. We'll finish our prompt off with, and summarize the findings in a 3-point bulleted list. Perfect.
Okay, so now that we have that PTCF framework down, let's go beyond the basics. Let's look at a few more powerful techniques that'll help you get even better results.
Now, what's really cool is how you can guide the AI even more precisely. With few-shot prompting, you basically give it an example or two to show it the style you want. It's like saying, hey, do it like this. And for those really tough, complex problems, there's chain of thought. You literally just ask the model to think step by step, and what's amazing is that it dramatically improves its accuracy. It's a game changer.
So, you might be thinking, why does all this matter so much? I mean, why is learning how to write a good prompt such a big deal?
Well, it's because a better prompt transforms the AI from just a simple tool, like a glorified search box, into a powerful, creative, and strategic partner. It unlocks the absolute full potential of the AI tools you're already using every single day.
I mean, think about it. You can go from staring at a blank page, we all know that feeling, to having a complete first draft of a document just like that.
Or what about this? You can analyze super complex data and find the key insights hiding in your spreadsheets, all without writing a single formula, instantly.
And this is just brilliant. You can actually build an entire presentation from just one single line of text. It's incredible.
See, mastering the art of the ask, it really changes your relationship with technology. It just opens up so many new possibilities. So now that you can ask better questions, what problems will you solve?